In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Corporation Bank. So let's get started right away. Now if you didn't already know, then the Corporation Bank has merged with Union Bank Online. So you will need to use the Union Bank Online website for everything related to Corporation Bank. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in unionbankofindia.co.in and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Union Bank of India. Now simply hover over to the online banking section and then select Union Bank Net Banking. You can now find your appropriate login section. Simply select between retail and corporate login, and you will then be taken into the login portal. Now in order to reset your forgotten password, you will simply need to click on Forgot or Create Your Password. After clicking on this, you will be asked to select whether you do have or whether you don't have a debit card. Simply select your appropriate option and then click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your account credentials. Simply type in your user ID followed by your account number and then type in your date of birth. After typing in your date of birth, enter your PAN number and then type in your transaction amount. Select your transaction type and then answer the given question. After typing in the correct answer, you can click on the Continue button, and then you might be asked to check your inbox to find a link to create your password. You can simply click on the link given within your email address, and then you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. After setting up your new password, you will be able to access your account using your new login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password in Corporation Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.